Hello, everyone. I'm Jill Hare, licensed mental health counselor, national certified counselor, and certified addictions professional. I'd like to share with you an event that occurred over 2 years ago while working with Aaron Arnold of Feather Dot Productions on this audiovisual book. As we focused on Chapter 12, when Perfect Cloud was about to learn the process of deep forgiveness, Aaron suggested I locate a picture of a bird of prey that he could use to symbolize her perceived life predators. I hadn't had time to begin the search, but several days later, I actually encountered a bird of prey that turned out to be a red-shouldered hawk. Right across from my office, on my way home, I found a large bird sitting under a tree. It was clearly blind, with a film covering its eyes. It was just sitting and didn't move, even as I cautiously approached with my phone camera. I felt concerned, but had no experience dealing with anything like this, so I called animal control. They picked up the bird and transported it to the Audubon Center for Birds of Prey in Maitland, Florida. I didn't know this amazing facility even existed. The first night, the hawk was placed in an incubator in guarded condition. The staff took turns bringing it home, testing its blood, giving it antibiotics. Its health progressed until, at last, it could stand and see. It was eventually rehabilitated to a practice flight cage with other birds. Now I want to show you a wonderful woman named Janice Biskowski, who arrived with the hawk. Next is the unedited footage of a bird that was blind, clearly blind, and now it sees and flies.
Okay, do you want to get the hood off? Untie the hood. It's in a knot. Okay, see his eyes?
There we go.
We can't do this too long. We don't want to freak him too much.
There we go.
Everybody has him?
Yep.
Okay, don't cry, Jill. Jill, look at him. Don't miss a minute.
Cool.
Okay, Jill. Now put your fingers apart on your left hand. I know they are. Can you get them in between his legs? You're not going to bend him. Get your hands around his neck where my hand is. Okay, everybody step over this way.
Over this way?
He's going to take up that way. You have your... You don't want to go near the tablet. Put it above my hand,
Each do together.
Okay. Why don't we do this? Okay, you got it? Okay. Say when you're ready.
Set you.
Two, three.
Between every smile, space awaits. Darkness and light, the sun, the clouds, and the presence. Memories are smiles, and smiles are rays of the sun. Proof that the radiant one keeps an eye on me.
Very few family systems or schools teach skills such as anger management, emotional literacy, or healthy personal boundaries and growth. We need to learn to check in rather than check out from life using these skills. While some of us don't suffer from substance abuse or other obvious addictions, many, I think, can relate to addictive behaviors of other kinds. Underneath the surface addictions lies relationship addiction, probably the most powerful of them all. As a mental health counselor, a grief counselor, and an addictions professional, I believe that relationships create problems for many of us. Not only relationships with our mates and friends, but with ourselves. That's where it all begins. It's become horrifyingly clear that our entire world needs training to release the power struggle and to learn connection and communication that lies beneath the anger wall. That work begins with the individual. It actually begins in childhood. It's my passionate hope that one day this knowledge and new behavior will interrupt existing and generational dysfunction. On a cautionary note, family of origin work is called psychotherapy and isn't self-help. Portions of this are suggested in the book, and this needs to be supervised by a licensed counselor.